student Miss Class, so I'm just doing this video for her. Pep. Alright, so we'll be looking at equivalent fractions. What equivalent fractions mean? When both fractions are broken down to its lowest term, they are the same. Alright, now we get 3 3/4 is equal to blank over 16. Alright, so we need to find the value of this to make both fractions equivalent or the same. Now, an easy way that I come up with for my students to do it is we inspect the two known. So we have 4 and we get 16. So I normally tell them, what do we multiply? If it's a smaller number, we multiply, right? Because so what we multiply 4 by to get 16, and that would be 4. So 4 4 16. So we do the same. 3 4s 12. So the equivalent of a 3/4 is 12 over 16, and we can break down this to see if we get 3/4. Which number can go into both? Naturally 4, right? 4 into that 3, 4 to that 4. So 3/4 is equal to 3/4. Alright, what if we had gotten a big number and we end up with a small? Now, as I say, is either we are multiplying or divide. Now, what we divide 20 by to give us 2? Here you guys saying 10, right? So 20 divided by 10 give us 2. So we divide this by 10. So we get 1. So 10 over 20, and that is natural. 10 over 20 is equal to a half. Alright. So bend it again, guys. Alright, so now we're asked to arrange fractions in order. We can either be asked to arrange in ascending, which is from the smallest to the largest, or descending, which is from the largest to the smallest. Now, the first thing we must do is to bring them to equivalent fractions by finding the lowest common multiple. It doesn't have to be the lowest common multiple, but it's best we use the lowest common multiple. So the lowest common multiple of 2, 3, and 4, let me just work it out because some people don't know how to do it. So it will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. We're going up by 2, 3 now, 3, 6, 9, 12, 4, 8, 12. So it will be the lowest number in all 3. So that will be 12. Now what we're doing now is to divide 2 into 12. We get 6 multiplied by the numerator. So the value of this fraction is 6, right? So 2/3 now, what's the value of 2/3? 3 into 12 goes 4 times. So 2 4s 8. And then now 4 into 12 goes 3 times. 1 times 3, 3. So if we are asked to arrange in ascending, it will be the smallest. Now the fraction with the smallest value would be 3, right? So that fraction is a quarter. Second value is 6, and that is a half. And the last, so that obviously it will be 2/3 for the largest. What if it was descending? Descending will be from the largest to the smallest. So it would be 2/3, a half, and then a quarter. Thanks, guys. Please like and subscribe.